Hello guys! In this video, I'll be showing you how to manage Siri settings on iPhone. To start, go to Settings and then tap on Siri and search. There are many options right here. For example, you can turn on Listen for Hey Siri, and then you can also press side button for Siri. You can also enable the option Allow Siri when locked. You can also change Siri language, Siri voice, and Siri responses. You can also allow Siri to announce calls and announce notifications. After that, there are few sample of using Siri. For example, Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. It serves as a practice of you and Siri so that she can recognize your voice. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.